This video, let us see how to compare two UI web pages. So we are going to compare one page with another page. Um, so to collect an export from one URL and it attributes the web elements present in a page. So this will be compared against the another page where it compare the same export and it will take the attributes. So the matching results will be displayed in the result. So let us see how to do that. So this is the UI comparison project which I have created. So this will be available in the Git. I will give you the link. So let us see the report how that is, so we can get an idea. So let me go to the results part first. So you can see like how the XPath is taken from the URL and how that is compared with the second URL. So these are the XPath that has been taken from the first page. So from this XPath we are going to take those text value, font size, font color, background color and font family, the X position and Y position. So you can collect more attributes similar to this. So I have collected these attributes. So from B to I, so these are the values from the first web page, and we are going to compare this with the second web page. So that will be from K to Q. So this is the text that has been taken from the second URL. So the same export that will be compared with the second URL, and again the text value, font size, color, background, family, and expression and Y position with the web page. So that will be collected here, and this will be compared with each other. So if it is matching text value, font size, matching font color, so if it matches or not matches, so that will be given in this report. So here you can see more number of web elements and its results. So like this we will get the report. So how to do that one, and the code review I will show you. Okay, and the first one is so we are going to open share the Chrome driver, and I'm going to open the first URL. So from the Excel I'm going to open the first URL, let's say amazon.in, the production site. So here I'm going to take only the links available in that page. So you can either have it as an input, you can take from the page, or you want to collect rather all the web elements from the page, you can go for this option. So currently I'm going to use this. So what it does is get export JavaScript. So let me go through this particular method, what it does. Okay, so we have passed the attribute as link, so it is going to collect all the links from the particular page. So I have given here as links, that can be web element or input, whatever it can be. Just a name I have referred as links. So in the first URL we are going to take all the links available in that particular page. So initially I am opening an Excel before that one. So based on the link size, suppose if we have the first web page that has 200 links, so it is going to iterate for 200 times. So what it does is, so you're going to take the export of that particular link. So it is going to create the export or obsolete export from that particular link we have passed. So the first link, it is going to take that export, and from that export, so once we got that export, the export is being passed, and we are collecting the attributes. The attributes may be text, font size, color, background color, font family, X and Y position. So of that export we are going to take that one, and this particular export, all the values will be written in Excel. So these are the attributes and export we have collected from the first page. And to collect this absolute export, there is a separate method I have called that one. So there is a JavaScript. I will show that one also. So this one you can take from the Git repository. So this is the function JavaScript. So it is going to create an export based on the link we have passed, based on the item like /a or /star /input. So based on it is going to create export by its own, this JavaScript. So once the export has been created, so we are going to take the attribute values for that XPath. So till now we have taken one URL and we have created the XPath, and we collected all the attributes based on that particular all the attributes of the web element in that particular page. So this we have done. So once we have collected, we have to compare that with the test page, the second URL we have to compare. So for that, so these are the scripts. So first URL opened and we collected the XPath and all attributes for that web element here, and now we are going to compare that one. So previously we are going to open the second URL that we are going to get compared, and after that we are comparing these two pages. So I will walk through what this compare page function does. Okay, here. So again same, I am going to open that Excel first to take the values. So based on the row count, it is going to iterate. Suppose there are 200 links, 200 XPaths you have collected, it is going to iterate for 200 times. And here from the Excel, I'm going to take the XPath. So this XPath has to be compared with the second page, second web page, or a test page we need to compare. So the first thing is I'm collecting the XPath here. So first I'm checking whether the XPath is present in the page. So if that is present, then it will be coming here. So this XPath, based on the XPath, we are collecting again the text we are collecting here, and this particular collected text in the second page, that will be compared with the text that is present in the actual Excel sheet that comes from the first page. So we have expected text and the actual text. So the expected text and actual text we are going to compare here. So if it is matching, that will be printed as matches. If not, it is being not matches. In short, we are taking the attributes of a XPath from the second page, test page, and that is being compared with the values already taken from the first page, first web page. So that one we are doing here, and here is the comparator operator to compare between the actual value and the expected value. So text we are comparing, the font size we are comparing, font color we are taking from the second page, and that is being compared with the first page. So the results will be here, and that will be written in the Excel for reference, and background, font family, and position of X and Y axis position alignment of the particular web element we are taking in that page. So we can create as a separate function and you can use it. So I have created separate function, but instead you can have a same function to compare this one. So once all this has been compared, so based on the comparison, it will be rewriting in the Excel like matches or not matches, and the results we will get it. So two functions, one is to get the XPath and get the attributes, the second one is to compare the second and first pages. Two functions I have written here. So once all has been completed, the report has been completed. So one more thing we can do is, so what all has been mismatched, so we need to highlight that in the background, so that we can visually know so what is has been mismatched. So here again I am calling a JavaScript and I am highlighting that particular value that is having mismatch. So if it is going to mismatch, I am going to highlight that particular background. So I will show that one also. Okay, so this is a highlight function I have written. This is a JavaScript that is going to highlight that particular web element if it is not matches. So this is the JavaScript for that one. So how actually it looks like is the second page that will be taken as a screenshot. I have written a function to take that as a screenshot. So all the highlighted will be available in the second page. So this second page will be a screenshot, and that will be pasted in this results page, and that is appended with the date and time. So if you can run it multiple times, it is going to take the screenshot of that one. I will show you this page. So here you can see that, so this is a test page. So what are all mismatched, that will be the background color of that will be changed. So here I chosen the color as yellow, so you can choose whichever color you want. So the value that is not matching, we can easily find it here. So this will be a result. So the mismatch between the first and the second page, we can get it from here. So this is a test page. I compared that with Amazon live page. So these two pages are being compared. So the mismatches I have given here. Okay. So this is only for the links I have taken. So if I am connecting for all the web elements, so it is going to display more mismatches from between these two pages. So if it is just links, it is showing these are mismatched between the production site and the test site. So this code will be available in the my Git repository, github.com Sam Ramkumar QA repositories and UA comparison too. You can take it from here.